The city of Evansville has received a $20 million EPA grant to aid in cleaner transportation. It will include expansion of the Met's microshare service, installing EV charging stations, improving city sidewalks, and more. Work will begin in March of next year. The Vanderburgh County Board of Commissioners have accepted a design proposal to upgrade parts of the Veterans Memorial Coliseum. The goal for this design is to add ADA requirements, accessibility improvements, restroom renovation, and to bring the building up to code. According to the Kentucky Department of Fish and Wildlife Resources, highly pathogenic avian influenza, or HPAI, has been found in Henderson County. Hunters are advised to take precaution with wild game, and signs of illness or increased mortality in flocks should be reported to a local veterinarian. More on these and other stories at news.wnin.org.